Hello guys, in this audio I'm going to explain lesson 1, quarter 3. Our lesson today, the land, and the lesson, chapter 2, section 3, the land. So open your workbooks, page 16, and concentrate together, please, okay? Let's define some words together, then explain the lesson, okay? Let's define some difficult words together, then explain our lesson. The first word, landform. Landforms, shapes on Earth's surface. Landforms, shapes on Earth's surface. And if I ask you, give me some examples on landforms, you can tell me hills, mountains, valleys, plains, islands, and peninsulas. Okay? All of these are examples of landforms. So the word landform means shape the surface of the earth or forms on Earth's surface, such as hills or mountains. Okay? The second word, continents. Continents mean large land masses. Large land masses. And land mass means large land. Large land. So our Earth or our planet Earth has 7 continents. 7 continents or 7 large land masses. The third word, plate tectonics. Plate means crust or layer or part or covering. This is the meaning of plate. So the word plate means a crust or part or covering or layer. This is plate. Tectonic means geology. Tectonic means geology, and the plate tectonics a theory, and this theory suggesting that Earth's surface is divided into more than 12 plates. So plate tectonics, a theory suggesting that Earth's surface is divided into 12 slow-moving plates or 12 pieces of Earth's crust. Okay, this is plate tectonics. Plate tectonics, a theory suggesting that Earth's surface is divided into more than 12 slow-moving plates or pieces of Earth's crust. Lava or magma, liquid rock and reaches Earth's surface. Liquid rock that reaches Earth's surface. The last word, earthquake. Earthquake, sudden or violent movement of Earth's crust. Sudden or violent movement of Earth's crust. This is earthquake. Let's explain together our lesson. The first point, geographers study landforms, such as what? Geographers study mountains, study valleys, study plains, study islands and peninsulas. Okay? And the difference between the island and the peninsula. The island is an area of land that's surrounded by water on all sides, but peninsula is surrounded by water on 3 sides only. This is the difference between the island and the peninsula. Okay? Geographers study how landforms are made and how they influence people. There are forces below Earth's surface and forces on or above Earth's surface. Let's explain the first. Forces below Earth's surface. Below Earth's surface or crust is a layer of liquid and a solid core, and the word core, substance. So below Earth's surface, what can we find? We can find a layer of liquid or covering of a liquid and a solid substance. This is below Earth's surface. So what can we find below Earth's surface? We can find a layer of liquid and a solid core or a solid substance. The planet, our Earth, has 7 continents, and 7 continents mean large land masses made of Earth's crust or Earth's surface. All of Earth's crust rests on 12 plates. Rest means stay, so all of Earth's crust or Earth's surface stays on 12 plates. All of Earth's surface stays on what? On 12 plates, okay? And these plates are constantly in motion. Constantly in motion means these plates move continuously. These plates move continuously without stopping, okay? And geographers call the study of these moving pieces of crust plate tectonics, okay? All of these plates move at different speeds and in different directions. So all these plates or 12 plates move at different speeds and in different directions. As they move, they shape Earth's landforms. So if I ask you what happens when the plates move, you can answer they shape Earth's landforms or they form Earth's landforms, okay? Plates move in 3 ways. What are these ways? The plates move in 3 ways. What are these ways? Number 1, they collide. They collide. Number 2, they separate. They separate. Number 3, they slide past each other. And I'm going to explain all of them, okay? So the plates move in 3 ways. What are these ways? They collide, they separate, and the last one, they slide past each other. Okay, let's explain the first point. They collide. The word collide means crash or hit each other or strike each other. The word collide means the plates crash each other or hit each other or strike each other. Okay, and we know the word separate from each other. And the last one, slide past each other, means fall to a lower level or lower standard. Slide past each other means they fall to a lower level. They fall. Slide past each other, they fall to a lower level or a lower standard. Okay, let's explain what happens when the plates collide each other. The energy of colliding plates creates new landforms. Okay, so the energy of colliding plates creates what? Creates new landforms. It's very important, this point. The energy of colliding plates creates what? Creates new landforms. When 2 ocean plates collide, they may form deep valleys on the ocean's floor. So what happens when 2 oceans collide each other? They form deep valleys, okay, on the ocean's floor. When ocean plates collide with continental plates, what happens? Mountain ranges are formed. So when two oceans collide with continental plates, mountain ranges are formed. Mountain ranges are formed, okay? Mountains are also created when 2 continental plates collide. Mountains are also created when 2 continental plates collide, okay? Let's move to the second point. What happens when the plates separate from each other? When plates separate, usually on the ocean floor, they cause gaps. When plates separate, what happens? They cause gaps in the planet's crust. They cause gaps in the planet's crust, okay? Magma or liquid rock rises through the cracks as what? As lava. Excellent. So magma or liquid rock rises through the cracks as lava. As it cools, it forms underwater mountains, and sometimes these mountains rise above the surface of the water and form islands. Okay, so as lava cools, it forms underwater mountains, and sometimes these mountains rise above the surface of the water and form what? Form islands. Okay, let's move to the last point in our lesson. What happens when the plates slide past each other? They crash. Okay, they crash together and causing earthquakes. Okay, they grind or crash together, causing earthquakes. So plates can also slide past each other and they grind or crash, causing what? Causing earthquakes. So what causes earthquakes? When plates slide past each other, causes what? Causes earthquakes. When plates slide past each other, they cause earthquakes. Okay? Thank you guys and goodbye.